Hello friends, this is your friend Professor Iqbal here, and once again I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, My Grammar Classes, a channel which is run for setnet classes. In this episode of lecture, we are going to particularly focus on the use of metonymy. Let us first understand what is metonymy, and then we are going to take some examples, and after that we will also go for synecdoche. Now metonymy, when it comes to metonymy, the meaning of metonymy is nothing but substitution for a name or a term. Substitution for a name or term. So it is a figure of speech in which a word is replaced by something which is closer to the meaning, which is closer to the original meaning. A word which is replaced by something which is very closer to the original meaning. Now let us take some examples. The word crown, generally it is associated with the royalty, and because of this reason the crown becomes an example of metonymy. Okay, the word crown is associated with members of royalty or royalty, and because of this reason it becomes a metonymy. Even we can have many examples like this. The first one, the pen is mightier than the sword. The pen is mightier than the sword. Here the pen refers to the written word and the sword refers to military aggression. One more example we can have. The White House is soon going to make an announcement. The White House is soon going to make an announcement. Here, the White House refers to the president. It refers to the president. My dear, you will have my heart. My dear, you will have my heart. Here, heart means love and emotion. Love and emotion. One more example. Friends, countrymen and Romans, lend me your ears. Friends, countrymen and Romans, lend me your ears. This is an example from Julius Caesar. And here ears means your attention. He will swear honesty on the ground. And many more such examples. Now let us go to the next device, which is called as synecdoche. Now when it comes to synecdoche, synecdoche is derived from the ancient Greek word which means synecdoche, with a K in the middle, and its meaning is simultaneous understanding. Its meaning is simultaneous understanding. And synecdoche refers to as the whole, or the whole is represented as a part of something. Okay, a part of something will be represented as the whole, or the whole will be represented as the part of something. For example, I have 5 mouths to feed. I have 5 mouths to feed. Here mouth refers to members of family or 5 men. Okay, the hands on deck. The hands on deck. Here hands refers to people or the workers who are working. Okay, and next example, check it out, my new wheels. Check it out, my new wheels. So here wheels refers to the cars. It refers to the car. So the parts of something is represented as the whole. The parts of something is represented as the whole. So you can have many such examples. Like the boots are on the ground. The boots are on the ground. Here it refers to, the boots refers to the soldiers. So these are the two essential terms which are used in English poetry, though they are quite the part of one. Synecdoche is a part of metonymy, and they are closely associated with metaphor and personification in their relation, because it has a close association with the meaning. There is a lot of confusion with these two devices because there is a close association with the meaning. The literal meaning of metonymy means substitution for a name or substitution for a term, and synecdoche refers to the part of something will be used to represent the whole, or the whole will be used to represent something. Okay, and it is derived from the ancient Greek word which means synecdoche with a K in the middle, and it has the meaning of a simultaneous understanding. So guys, this is something I just wanted to tell you about metonymy and synecdoche. If you still have any doubt and confusion about these two devices, these two poetic devices, please comment and ask a question to clear your confusion. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. May God bless you. Have a good day ahead. Thank you everyone.